Class 3rd. Today we are going to study Collins English Grammar and Composition book. In this we will be studying lesson number 19, adverbs. So now coming to the first topic, let's get started. Here is a story. You can see this picture. So now there was a puppet called Pinocchio. He badly wanted to be a real boy. The puppeteer Geppetto asked him to wait patiently, but Pinocchio started crying loudly. He said that he wanted to be a real boy immediately. A fairy was outside the house. She granted Pinocchio's wish and turned him into a boy. So this is a short story. In this you see that there was a puppet called Pinocchio. You can see this is a puppet called Pinocchio, and he wanted to be a real boy. Actually, puppet are not real, but he wanted to be a real boy. So now he asked his wish with the puppeteer Geppetto. So Geppetto told him that he should wait patiently. But what happened? Pinocchio started crying loudly. Now when he started crying loudly, what happened? That he wanted to be a real boy immediately because he didn't want any time span. So he was crying loudly. Now what happened? A fairy came. You can see this is a fairy. Fairy now was outside the house. So she granted Pinocchio's wish and turned him into a real boy. So this was the story. Now here are a few questions. Now you have to see the answers for this. How was Pinocchio crying? You can see Pinocchio was crying loudly. You can see here loudly. Okay. Now, when did Pinocchio want to be a real boy? Immediately. You can see here. Immediately. Now, where was the fairy? Outside. Okay. Now, coming to the sentences, they were playing music loudly. How was the music? Loudly. Tias was walking tiredly. Means he was very tired. So he was walking tiredly. The cows were grazing peacefully. How were they grazing? Peacefully. So now from these words, loudly, tiredly and peacefully, you come to know that how the action is performed. So these are adverbs. So what are adverbs? Adverbs are words which tell us more about a verb. Again I want to repeat. Adverbs are words which tell us more about a verb. You see this playing, walking, grazing. These are verb and verb. So loudly is describing the verb playing. Tiredly is describing walking. Peacefully is describing grazing. Now look at some more adverb. The cheetah looked at the lamb hungrily. So you can see here hungrily. They started on their journey later. We met Shyam here for the first time. So adverb can be formed by adding ly to the adjective. See, ly is at the last. Many adverbs are formed by dropping the y at the end and adding ily. So hunger, hungrily. So in this way it is changed. And you can see now sweet, sweetly. Ly is added. Soft, ly is added in soft. Bold, boldly. Ly is added. Meek, meekly. Ly is added. Merry, merrily. Y is removed and ILY added. Happy, happily. Y removed and ILY added. Some adverbs are not formed from adjectives. Fast, soon, out are the examples. Now coming to the exercise, underline the adverbs in the sentences. The children played merrily in the garden. How they played? Merrily. So merrily is the adverb. He jumped into the pool quickly. So quickly is the adverb. I brush my teeth daily. So daily is again adverb because it is defining brushing, that how often he brushes his teeth. The mother cradled the child lovingly. So how the mother cradled? Lovingly. So lovingly defining the action cradle. So lovingly is the adverb. The thieves entered the house quietly. So quietly is describing about entering. So again quietly is the adverb. The birds chirped noisily. So noisily is again defining chirped. So noisily is adverb. The robber hid the jewels carefully. So carefully is defining what? Hid. So carefully is the adverb. Now coming to the next exercise, form adverbs by adding ly or ILY to the adjectives in the box. So you can see these adjectives. Now you have to form adverb with the adjective. So you must know that adverb can be formed from adjectives also. Then complete the sentences using the adverb. So after adding ly and ILY to these adjectives, you have to see which word would suit in which sentence. Okay. For example, slow, slow, slowly, heavy, heavily, loud, loudly, repeated, repeatedly, brave, bravely, sudden, suddenly, beautiful, beautifully, gentle, gently, sweet, sweetly, bright, brightly. She smiled sweetly at everyone. The snake crawled in through the window slowly. Yesterday it rained heavily. The soldiers fought bravely for their motherland. The phone rang repeatedly. She patted the cat gently. Suddenly he dropped the book from his hand. She decorated her house beautifully. He shouted loudly at the boy. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. Now, some adverbs tell us how something happened. Such adverbs are called adverb of manner. The tiger roared loudly. So how did the tiger roar? Loudly. So loudly is defining the word roar. So loudly is adverb. The dog slept soundly. So soundly is defining slept. Now, moving to next page. Some adverbs tell us where something happened. Such adverbs are called adverb of place. Hari went out in the evening. So went is the verb and out is the adverb. So where Hari went? Out. The arrow fell here. So fell is the verb and here is defining fell. So here is the adverb. The verb out tell us where Hari went, and the adverb here tell us about where the arrow fell. Some adverbs tell us when something happened. Such adverb called adverb of time. Meera will meet you tomorrow. When will she meet? Now tomorrow is defining meet. So tomorrow is the adverb. Now she will arrive soon. Soon is defining arrive. So soon is the adverb. Now we are coming to next exercise C. Choose the correct adverb of manner to fill in the blanks. Many people treat animals badly. He ran fast but missed the bus. He put the money in his pocket carefully. He looked kindly at the old beggar. The boy answered rudely. She studied sincerely before the examination. You should drive carefully. Pets should be looked after lovingly. The horse neat softly in the stable. You should speak politely. Now underline the adverb time. Did you go to the market yesterday? So yesterday is adverb time. I bought a pen today. Today is the adverb time. We will finish playing the game soon. Soon is again adverb time. I am going to Seema's house now. Now is adverb time. Jim always plays guitar in the school band. So always is again adverb time. Can I play in the park tomorrow? Tomorrow is again adverb time. I had guests at home yesterday. Yesterday is adverb time. I will go to the market later. Again later is the adverb time. He never listens to me is again adverb time. Let us go for the picnic soon. Soon is again adverb time. Now fill in the blanks using adverb of place from the box. Outside, upstairs, anywhere, up, out, here. The girls are going upstairs to their bedroom. Look up, there is a shooting star. You can see this is a shooting star. Now, Tina couldn't find her bag anywhere. My mother is going out. It is raining outside. Come here at once. Write whether the underlined words are adverb of manner, place or time. Now, the fish swam away quickly. Quickly is adverb of manner because it is defining how the action swim has been done. Ravi will come to my house soon. So now, soon is describing come. It is adverb of time. Don't look up at the sun. Up is adverb of place. We will go out to play now. Out is adverb of place. The players cheered loudly on winning the match. So loudly is again adverb of manner. She speaks politely to everyone. Politely is adverb of manner. The dog ran fast. Fast is adverb of manner. The driver is waiting outside for you. Outside is adverb of place. Now, here are a few points to remember. Adverbs can be formed by adding ly or illy at the end of adjectives. Adverb of manner tell us how the action took place. Adverb of place tell us where the action took place. And adverb of time tell us when the action took place. Okay, children? So, I hope this chapter is clear for adverbs. So, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.